One day, the emperor received an artificial nightingale covered with diamonds, rubies, and sapphires. So, one day, what happened, like the original nightingale was already there in the kingdom, but somebody gifted the emperor an artificial nightingale and it was covered with very precious stones. As soon as the bird was wound up, it sang like the real one and moved its tail up and down, which sparkled with silver and gold. Round its neck hung a piece of ribbon on which was written, "The Emperor of China's nightingale is poor," as compared to that of emperors of Japan's. So, this artificial nightingale was presented to the Emperor of China by the Emperor of Japan, and its tail was also studded with gold and silver, and it looked very beautiful and sang very beautifully. "They must sing together," said the court. "What a duet it will be!" But the real nightingale sang in its own natural way, and the artificial bird sang only waltz. So, when the court demanded that both the nightingales should sing together, but how an original and an artificial nightingale can sing together, right? The artificial only used to sing the waltz. So, waltz is given in your word meaning. Let's check it out. Played for a type of dance also known as waltz. So, waltz is a kind of dance for which a particular kind of music was played, and this artificial nightingale used to sing only that. The mechanical bird sang alone and was as successful as the real bird. Besides, it was much prettier to look at. So there was an additional benefit with this mechanical nightingale, that it was pretty. 3 and 30 times it sang the same tunes without being tired. The living nightingale flew out through the open window back to her own green wood, but no one noticed. So now the original nightingale was free. She went out back to the forest. The new bird was shown to the common people on the following Sunday. Everyone marveled at its singing. Everyone was surprised that an artificial bird can sing so well. But a poor fisherman who had heard the real nightingale said, "It sings prettily, yet something is missing." Nonetheless, the artificial bird was placed on a silk cushion close to the emperor's bed. So, it was always near to the emperor's heart, and it was placed on a silk cushion near the emperor's bed. A year later, as the emperor lay in bed listening to the artificial bird's song, something inside the bird sounded whiz. Whir, whir, went all the wheels running round, and the music stopped. A watchmaker was sent for. He repaired the bird, but now it had to be used very carefully, as the barrels were worn and it was impossible to put in new ones without injuring the music. The bird could only be played once a year, and even that was dangerous for it. So one day what happened, as emperor was listening, laying in the bed and listening to this artificial nightingale, something like barrels, they were worn out, barrel घिस गए थे अंदर के, and they called a watchmaker to repair the bird. When he repaired, but the barrels could not be changed. If the barrels were changed, the music would be destroyed. So now he did, like watchmaker did something, that now the nightingale could only be played once a year. 5 years passed and the emperor fell ill. He was not expected to live and lay cold and pale on his royal bed. A window stood open and the moon shone in. The poor emperor, finding he could scarcely breathe, opened his eyes and saw death sitting. All around the bed were a number of strange heads, some ugly, others gentle looking. These were the emperor's good and bad deeds, which stared him in the face now and reminded him of his past. Now, 5 years passed, emperor was very ill, and bus you can say that death was waiting for him. When he could scarcely breathe, मुश्किल से सांस ले पा रहा था, and when he opened his eyes, he could see good and bad faces around him. Actually, these good and bad faces were, good faces were the good deeds, अच्छे कर्म जो उसने किए थे, and bad faces were the bad deeds, बुरे कर्म जो उसने किए थे, were in front of him now, and death was waiting to take him away. Music, music, the emperor cried, that I may not hear what they say. Precious golden birds, sing, pray, sing. But there was no one to wind the mechanical bird up, and it remained silent. So there was nobody in the room who could wind up the bird, like do something like chabi bharna or something by which it can sing, so it remained silent. Death continued to stare at the emperor with his cold, hollow eyes, and the room was fearfully still. So nothing was moving, everything was still. सब ठहरा सा हुआ था. Suddenly there came through the open window the sound of sweet music. Outside, on the bough of a tree, sat the living nightingale. She had heard of the emperor's illness and had come to sing to him of hope and trust. So the original nightingale came at night. She sat on the branch of a tree outside the window and she started singing of hope and trust. उम्मीद और विश्वास के गाने गाने शुरू कर दिए मीठी आवाज में. As she sang, the shadows grew paler, the blood in the emperor's veins flowed more rapidly and gave life to his weak limbs. Death himself listened and said, "Go on, little nightingale." As she started to sing, जो परछाइयाँ एम्परर को दिख रही थीं वो धीरे धीरे फीकी पड़ने लगीं. एम्परर की वेन्स में ब्लड अच्छे से फ्लो करने लगा. एंड द डेथ ऑल्सो सेड कि यू प्लीज़ कीप ऑन सिंगिंग. The nightingale sang of the quiet churchyard where the white roses grow and where the elder tree wafts its perfumes on the breeze. Then Death longed to go and see his garden and floated out through the window in the form of a cold white mist. नाइटिंगेल स्टार्टेड सिंगिंग अबाउट द चर्च यार्ड कि चर्च का जो गार्डन है, बाहर का आंगन है, वो उसमें जो पेड़ लगे हुए हैं, दे वाफ्ट देयर परफ्यूम. वो कैसे पेड़ अपनी खुशबू को हवा में लाइक यू कैन से मिक्स करते हैं, वाफ्ट करते हैं इन द ब्रीज. And now when Death heard about this in the song of the nightingale, Death wanted to go and see. So in the form एक सफ़ेद धुएं के रूप में Death वहाँ से चली गई. You have charmed away the evil faces from my bed and banished death from my heart with your sweet song. How can I reward you? You have already rewarded me, said the nightingale. I shall never forget that I drew tears from your eyes the first time I sang to you. These are the jewels that bring joy to a singer's heart. But now sleep and grow strong and well. So now again the king said that you have helped me, you have banished death, death को भगा दिया तुमने, how can I reward you? She said that the joy the joy for a singer's heart, एक गायक के मन को खुशी तभी मिलती है जब गाना सुनने वाला रो दे. So I actually got my reward when you cried for the first time after hearing my song. You must always Okay, she sang on, and the emperor fell into a sweet sleep. When he awoke, strengthened and restored, he was now healthy when he woke up. The sun shone brightly through the window. The nightingale still sat beside him and sang. You must always remain with me, said the emperor. You shall sing only when it pleases you, and I will break the artificial bird into 1,000 pieces. No, replied the nightingale. I cannot live in the palace and build my nest. But let me come when I like. I will sit outside your window in the evening and sing to you, so that you may be happy. I will sing to you of those who are happy and those who suffer, of the good and the evil, who are hidden around you, for I love your heart better than your crown. So the king said that you should now remain with me. But what the nightingale said, no, I'll come every evening to you. I will sing of the good and bad. अच्छी चीज़ों के गाने, बुरी चीज़ों के गाने, खुश जो व्यक्ति हैं उनके बारे में गाना, जो सफ़र कर रहे हैं, दुखी हैं उनके बारे में गाना. Like I will sing everything. But I cannot be in the palace. Because I love your heart. मैं तुम्हारे दिल से प्यार करती हूँ, not your crown. Crown here means तुम्हारी ये पैलेस से, हीरे मोती से. I don't love these things. When the servants came in to look after the dead emperor, they were amazed. For there he stood, and to their astonishment said, "Good morning." So now when the servants came in the morning inside the emperor's room, they thought the emperor would be dead, but he was standing there, and what he said, "Good morning." Dear students, complete the word meanings and the back exercise.